Hello traders, P. Consington from Gold Medal Penny Stocks here today, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for DCGD, Discovery Gold Corp, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So the first thing I want to point out here is the RSI. You'll notice that it's currently sitting right about the buy zone, which is generally construed to be anything between 50 and 70. The 5-period RSI is actually just crossed above the 14-period RSI, which is also another buy signal. The 14-period RSI is just sitting at 46.56, which is just below that 50, which is considered buy territory. So the next thing I want to point out here on this chart is that we saw a very bullish day today, a lot of buying pressure, pretty solid volume, and we've been seeing pretty solid volume in general lately. So it's safe to say that a lot of shares are being accumulated, and that's actually backed up by both the Accum Dist and OBV as well as the CMF. So to get into that really quickly, we can see here that the OBV and Accum Dist are both pointed up in agreement here. So that means that it's kind of been significant accumulation because the volume is backing it up. The CMF is currently sitting at 0.152. 0.2 is considered very bullish. 0.4 is considered extremely bullish. So as you can see, this is starting to look pretty bullish at 0.152. CMF, check and money flow, basically kind of measures retail accumulation of shares. So we're kind of seeing how retail is acting, and they're kind of starting to turn bullish on this stock. So the next thing I want to point out here is that we can see the Parsar has flipped underneath the price per share lately, which is another buy sign that is backed up by the ADX, which was created by the same guy. So the ADX is just kind of starting to curl out. It's going to be a rounded bottom and start to go around to the top here soon, or start to curl up and go up soon. And that basically assesses trend strength. So as you can see, the previous downtrend was kind of starting to weaken, and will start to round out here on the bottom, and then before spiking back up to start a stronger bullish trend. So the next thing I want to point out here really quickly is the ROC. You'll notice it's currently at negative 6.35. It's currently in a very, very volatile area around 0, and it's just ready to spike in either direction, and it's looking like it's going to spike bullishly considering the other indicators. So this is one we're going to want to keep our eyes on. We're looking for a move kind of like this one here in the near future, just like this move right here. You can see it spiked up hard, and the price per share also spiked up really hard. So that's a very good indicator of what could be soon coming. Next thing we want to point out really quickly would be that the TRIX is bullishly crossed, and it's looking to move up pretty hard. Williams % is spiking up, and it's good to see it consistently in the overbought category for short-term momentum. So if we see this bounce up into this territory and continue to oscillate around that area like so, that's going to be incredibly bullish. So that's what we're looking for there. And again, the MACD is another short-term momentum indicator, and we're starting to see some pretty bullish action there. So this one's definitely on close watch here as we approach, as we come into Tuesday, which is a good day for penny stocks to get moving. One more thing worth pointing out here is that the Bollinger Bands, which are these blue ones, are currently sitting within the Keltner channels. So we're approaching what's also called a pinch play, and as we see these Bollingers pinch outside of the Keltner channels, which are these ones here, say they continue with the same kind of trend here, we'll see what's called a pinch play, and generally those are very explosive breakout plays. So that's what we're keeping our eyes on. Again, today's candle was a very, very bullish reversal candle, and we're looking great as we come into Tuesday. So I'm not a professional financial advisor, so please just watch this video for entertainment purposes only, and good luck trading, traders.